Most people automatically renew policies without checking alternatives, missing opportunities to save significant money every single year. Tip 1. Compare your insurance annually to find the best deals and save hundreds or even thousands. Insurance rates change each year. Don't assume your current provider always offers the lowest price possible. Shop at least 2 or 3 different providers to ensure your coverage is cost-effective and budget-friendly. Even small differences accumulate quickly. Over 5 years, comparing quotes could save thousands, boosting your financial security. For example, Sarah discovered she overpaid $450 last year because she never compared her options carefully. Use online comparison tools, apps, or call your agent to find coverage that fits your needs. Remember, prices change constantly. Staying informed annually is the first step towards smarter insurance decisions. Checking quotes can also reveal policy improvements, better coverage, or extra benefits without paying extra money. Tip 2. Bundle your insurance policies like car, home, or life insurance to get large annual discounts. Bundling can save 10 to 25% yearly, significantly reducing overall insurance costs for most families. If car insurance costs $1,200 and home $900, bundling might lower the total to $1,800 instead of $2,100. That's $300 saved yearly. Call your provider to check if bundled discounts are available for your accounts. Many times, loyalty programs stack with bundling, giving extra savings opportunities and long-term financial benefits combined. John combined his car and home policies and saved $450 annually money he used to pay bills. Bundling isn't just convenience. It's making your money work smarter while optimizing coverage and long-term finances. Even if you already have multiple policies, reviewing options could reveal hundreds of dollars in unexpected savings annually. Tip 3. Ask for loyalty discounts. Staying with one company often rewards long-term customers generously. Many insurers value loyal customers. Simply asking, "I've been with you X years. Any loyalty discounts?" works. Anna, after 6 claim-free years, saved $120 annually. Just by asking, even small percentages grow over time. Check policy details frequently, and don't hesitate to negotiate. Loyalty is valuable, and insurers prefer retaining clients. Combine loyalty discounts with bundling or annual comparison to maximize savings while maintaining full coverage. Being proactive is essential for paying less without compromising coverage. Awareness alone can save substantial money. Other ways to save include increasing deductibles wisely, maintaining a clean driving record, and installing safety devices. Each small action adds up over time. Reviewing coverage limits or your credit score uncovers hidden opportunities. Even minor improvements, like better credit or reduced risk factors, can lower premiums significantly across multiple policies. Another tip: ask about seasonal or promotional discounts, as many insurers offer deals at different times of the year. Look for association discounts, workplace perks, or membership programs that can reduce premiums further instantly. Safety improvements, like home security systems, smoke alarms, or anti-theft devices, often earn extra annual savings. Life changes like marriage, moving, or buying a new car may reduce rates. Notify your provider immediately. Don't forget discounts for being claim-free, retired, or maintaining a clean driving or payment record over time. Little actions accumulate, adding hundreds of dollars in extra annual savings. Always review policies periodically to optimize. Saving money doesn't require risk. It requires knowledge, awareness, and simple actions to avoid unnecessary overpayments effectively. Bonus tip: consider asking your agent about long-term multi-year policies. They sometimes lock in lower premiums. Combine all strategies: comparing annually, bundling, loyalty discounts, safety improvements, and extra small optimization tips. Follow for smarter insurance tips and learn how to save money while staying fully covered confidently today. These simple steps reduce premiums, provide peace of mind, and keep your wallet happier, safer, and more secure. Start saving today. Your wallet will thank you while enjoying the same coverage without overpaying unnecessarily anymore. Remember, paying attention, asking questions, and optimizing policies is the easiest way to save hundreds every year. For more insurance tips and smarter strategies, Follow smart policy insights and never overpay again.